Yeah, what it do, what it do. Another day. Oh, fuck. Hold up. Welcome in, welcome in. Another day. It's your boy True Passion X. I'm out here again. Enjoying all the small stuff, the little things that really, truly matter. And that's good. That feels good. But like I said, welcome back, man. It's your boy True Passion X. Like and subscribe to my channel if y'all fuck with my shit. But if you fuck with my shit, if I do something meaningful for you, like I said, man, subscribe to a brother channel, man. Come on. You don't like it? Turn the other cheek. Get out of here. Don't care. But that's what I'm doing. But like I said, welcome in. And today's video is what I'm finna talk about. This video y'all about to see. I want to talk about the importance of life and just staying away from all that bullshit and staying more in touch with yourself, your spirit, your energy. I know it's stressful. I know y'all got a lot of stress going on every day. We all do. I do. But you always gotta remember, there's more to this. There's more to this. It's a bigger picture. But keep it locked in. I'm about to get to the video. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to enjoy this real quick before I get to the video. Feels good. It just feels good. But shit, hey, enjoy the intro. Yeah. Y'all doing all right? Hope y'all doing good. Y'all see that, right? They be out here chilling. Yeah, they be out here chilling. living, existing, breathing, moving like they supposed to be. Like we're supposed to be. Shit. You know what I'm saying? That was pretty cool. I just met 2 bird buddies. Chilling, vibing. We was having a good time. He got more of his buddies down there. Chilling, vibing, having a good time. Existing, breathing, just being everything they were created to be, right? Isn't that what we are, right? I know we made this life to be extremely difficult, to be extremely frustrating every single day, especially if you got bills, especially if you got work, especially if you got a lot of things on your plate, the things we have to do to just exist in this world. Yeah, yeah. You're going to be stressed out the ass, stressed like a motherfucker. We have to realize that this is temporary. We were gifted this, but yet we don't know how to function and the important things that are key to us every day of our lives. How many times do y'all notice that everybody looks the same in terms of emotion, in terms of what's on their face? It's all the same. They all just got one emotion, just how they carry themselves, how they bring about that energy. Yeah, I'd be mad too, but I can't be mad every day, all the time, every minute, every second. Doesn't get you nowhere. You don't accomplish nothing. You don't get to see yourself evolve into something better for yourself and maybe better for the people that's around you. You got to take control of that dark side, that evil side that's in your brain every day. I know it's stressful, man. We got all these bills and everything, like I said, jobs and fucking work, relationships, all types of shit that kind of like stresses you out, man. Just find a way to get through it. Find a way to cope with it, to deal with it better. Find a way. Find that way. And you know what that way could possibly be? Obviously, I'm not going to change everybody, but you know what that way could possibly be? Why don't you step your ass outside? Get away from all the noise. Get away from all the buzz, the cars, you know what I'm saying? The busy, overstimulated, overpopulated, over fucking saturated ass fucking spots. Get away from that. Don't have nothing on you. Don't have nothing with you. And just live. And just breathe. Shit, take a fucking walk. Take a walk. If you stressed, take a walk. Smell some damn trees. Touch some damn ground. feel and breathe some damn air. It's not hard. It's not difficult. You just have to do it. You have to know how to take yourself out of a stressful situation and put yourself in a situation where your brain can understand and interpret what it sees, the natural way of what it sees. What do you think all this is here for us for? What do you think we're on this big ball of a planet for, like I said in the previous videos? Don't forget that. Stop forgetting that. Everybody forgets that. Everybody has an issue, a problem, something that they got going on, and they don't know how to deal with it. Almost 90% of the people you see out here, everybody's got a weird vibe to them. It's weird. It's weird. And there's some people that understand it, and their vibe is matching your vibe, and it's more humanly natural, and it just feels better the way it's supposed to be. Stop letting stress win control your life. Don't let that control your life. You control your life. You control how and what is in your life and how you want it to be. Y'all probably look at me and be like, man, the fuck this dude talking about? Why don't you put yourselves out here? Like I said, touch grass, smell trees, like I said. Put yourself out here. Put that phone away. Put that bitch in your pocket. Put yourself out here and see what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, I hope y'all see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope y'all stay to the end to watch this shit. Y'all didn't. The hell with it. But like I said, I still like to do something, drop something meaningful, real, and not no bullshit. So yeah,